I've had a lot of really meaningful experiences. I've been able to travel to Taiwan independently, and also I've been able to have internships that connect the things that I'm learning about. I feel like I don't have any fears about my career.
Through UNH, you can travel down to Washington, D.C. You live there through the program and they set you up with an internship. My internship was with the U.S. Marshals Service.
After my internship federally with the Marshals, I decided I might as well try something local as well, so might as well go to Durham, right in the town, and it'll be a perfect fit for me.
I don't think there's an opportunity like this that would have been offered anywhere else. I'm working in the field every day. I'm gaining experience working with people in New Hampshire fishing game, and it's really a foot in the door.
Being in a program like this, you kind of automatically expand your network and your worldview and just like your capacity for learning. And those are all really important things that you kind of don't always get just inside of the classroom.